morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. So today is Wednesday, right, Aaron? So guys, it's general cleaning time for me, and I wanna show you my garden. Yung mukha ko, wala pang hilamos, guys. Ito yung garden natin. Hi, how are you? Good.
Got any questions for me?
No, I'm good. We're good. Just I need to take this out because it's already dried up. So, at saka, ano ba to, guys? So, what's in there? Oh my god.
One eternity later. A few moments later.
Morning, guys. Good morning. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Happy. Oh yeah. So check muna natin yung garden natin, guys. Yung garden natin today. Oh, let's check the. I wanna get this tomato kasi nahinog na siya. Hindi mo yung tomato, guys. Ito. Ay! Kinain! See? I told you. Dapat kunin ko na talaga in the early stage pa. Like, around yung papalupit na mahinog. Kasi kakainin ng mga kakainin ng mga kakainin sila ng mga guys. Ano dito? May na tayo. May isang ito na. Ito yung zenya natin. Namumulaklak na. Nice. Ang okra natin, guys. Oh. Look at our sunflower over there. Oh. Malaki. Saka ito, oh. Malaki na din. Nice. Basil. Ang lalaki ng mga basil natin, guys. Yung moringa natin, oh. So, let's check the watermelon. Ay, ang lalaki na nila, guys. Nice. Good morning, watermelon. Check natin. Cucumber. May isang cucumber tayo dito, guys. So, we'll see.
One eternity later.
Headband ko na pang facial. Yung pang skincare na headband ko. Hindi ko makita. So, cleanser. This from Glow Recipe. So, ganyan ko lang, guys. Yung
One eternity
Guys.
later.
So we're gonna do walking today, and the kids are a little grumpy, no? So yes, we're gonna just walk from here, going to around the neighborhood. So Kuya is been grumpy now. Guys, we're here at the park, and the kids wanted to go here, so they meet with their friends. So Aaron's over there. He's at the swing, and Kuya is still here. He's a little scared of the dragonflies and the bees. Yeah, see? Kuya can do that. Please, Kuya, palihog. Thank you. It's a little gloomy today. You know, my brother-in-law's house is like a few blocks away, like a block away. And yeah, they're playing. It's a little gloomy, so yeah. Little Caddy, oh, he wants to come with me. Oh, he wants to play. He wants to play. Is he a baby girl or
Oh, yeah.
boy. Where's the other one? Hello. Hello.
You could take a picture of that.
Let's take a photo. Little cat. Where is she? I like that color of that one. Oh, it's a ash gray.
Take the picture.
Ah, she's cute.
Yeah.
Very cute. We want to adopt.
A few moments later.
You're having a, what is this, baby?
She phantom taxed my phone. No.
We're having a mango float.
Mommy, can I cut out a piece from the mango float?
Aaron only likes the graham with the cream, but not the ones with the mango. But Kuya Kian loves it all, right, Kuya?
Eternity later.
So guys, that's all for now for our video. See you tomorrow. I'm so sleepy now. Medyo nababaga na yung ano ko. It's late na, so medyo maga na yung mata ko. So that's all for now, and be good, do good, and stay safe. And thanks for watching, and please do like and subscribe if you're new here to this channel. And that's all. So see you next time. Ciao.